Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I am Ann, the home bartender, and you are watching me make a blue cocktail today. I did not want to put a blue cocktail on my channel. I really did not. I don't really like blue Curaçao very much, but I have this blue cocktail in front of me, and it's called a cherry blossom. My kiddo loves these 80s, 90s style cocktails, and therefore it was requested, and I found one that I liked, so it goes on the channel. It's obviously a very beautiful blue color, but is it good? Let's check it out. Oh, yes, it's good. I don't know how he did it. Actually, I do know how he did it, but what I mean by he is the creator of this cocktail, but I'll talk about that in a moment. This is an amazing cocktail. It's so good. I really actually like it a lot. It's dangerous because I know that if I was by the poolside, I could drink like 5 of these real fast. Wow, I mean, it's a spectacular cocktail. You get the refreshing mint right on the nose along with the spice of the cinnamon that's in the cocktail. You can expect this to actually be pretty light with a very smooth mouthfeel. It's got cinnamon syrup and you get that as well. It's got pineapple flavor, of course, which is king in tiki. So good, delicious, and lovely. After I made the Jungle Doctor on this channel, I thought I really needed to get Matt Pietrick's book. Sorry, Matt, if I pronounced your last name wrong. So I did, and I found this recipe in Matt's book that he wrote with Carrie Smith. Today's cocktail is from Justin Wojlak. That's it, I think. I'm sorry if I slaughtered that as well. As per the book, he is in Seattle, Washington at the Diller Room. So let's go over the ingredients, and I'll break down how this cocktail is different from your average blue cocktail coming up next. All right, let's jump right in. Starting with 1/2 ounce of cinnamon syrup. I do have a video on how to make this cinnamon syrup. It really stands out in this cocktail. 1 ounce of cream of coconut. Now you can make this. I also have a video on that. Next, we have 3/4 ounce of lime juice. Gotta have the tart to balance out the sweet. 1 ounce of pineapple juice for just a bit more sweetness. Followed by 1/2 ounce of blue Curaçao. New bottle. I just got this bottle of blue Curaçao. It's Giffard's. You all will be really proud because I hopefully pronounced it right. As far as Curaçaos go, this is about the best I can get in my area. Blue Curaçao is an orange liqueur. I think it tastes mostly like simple syrup. This brand does have an orange flavor though, but it's very mild. This brand is really good. The lower shelf versions of the blue Curaçao, I don't think they have any orange flavor really, in my opinion. They just really make the cocktail look nice. We're using 1.5 ounces of a silver Puerto Rican rum, as the recipe suggests, so that is this Havana Club. We're not using vodka in this. So let's get some crushed ice in here and shake this up. I'm gonna pour this right in there. Top this with a bunch of ice. Surfside Sips, which one? I'm going with this one. Put a little orange. I thought a little candied orange wheel would look really nice. Maybe a little cinnamon stick somewhere. Let's see if I can sort of put it in there. Then we'll get a little bit of mint in there. This is the nicest mint that I've grown yet. I'm gonna put it right back here. Ooh, that's beautiful. So that's the cherry blossom. Okay, so my takeaway from this one is that when you use good quality ingredients, you're gonna get a good quality cocktail as long as it's well constructed. Thanks, Justin, for finally making a wonderful blue cocktail that I will drink again and again. That's it for me today. While you're here, tell me in the comments about your favorite blue Curaçao, something better than a bottom shelf brand. Fill me in on what your favorite blue drink is, and maybe I will make it on the channel. You can really help my channel, by the way, by hitting the like button. It turns out that makes a huge difference. And check out the playlist coming up. I really think you like some of the cocktails in there today. So next week, join me at my home bar right here, and we're gonna make another fun cocktail together. Until then, be well.